Hi, I'm Chef Carl, the Food Whisperer, and welcome to my home. Today we're going to be making a fluffy omelet, I hope, and we're going to see what happens.
Chef Carl, Food Whisperer, taking the mystery out of cooking.
Okay, we're going to crack a couple eggs one-handed. And you can use two hands if you want. But what I'm going to do is separate the whites from the yolk. Sending a little bit of shell. So what I'm going to do is whip these whites up.
Go ahead.
Alright, we have the egg whites. I actually got 4 egg whites in here because I wanted to make sure I have enough to whip. And take them all. And by whipping the egg whites, you're going to get them frothy. Okay. Now what I'm going to do now is I had the 2 egg yolks that I separated out. I'm going to go to the sink and get a little water. I usually put cream in, but somebody told me a little water makes it fluffier, so I'm going to try it. Hold on. I put in about a shot of water to the 2 eggs. You can use a fork to whisk them with. Make sure they're broken up. And then we're going to fold half the egg whites in because I have 4 whites eggs because I'm going to make an omelet for myself later. Now you can see the egg yolks are whipped, and now we'll put half the whites in. It's almost like making a souffle. You don't want to overmix it. See how light, foamy and light this is? Now I'm going to come over here to the stove and heat up the butter in the pan. Okay, now I've got a small saute pan with a metal handle with no rubber because I'm going to put this in the oven for a couple seconds. I sprayed the pan with some olive oil or butter spray, 2 pats of butter or butter. If you've been drinking, it's butter. I'm going to let that melt. This is our mixture, nice fluffy mixture that we have. And I'm making this just a cheese omelet, but we're going to make it rain bacon. Bacon. You want to get the pan nice and hot, but you don't want to burn the butter. And if I didn't mention it, I don't wear gloves because I break out, but I have sanitizer right here. I have soapy water in the sink, and I just sanitized the cutting board a couple minutes ago. So, and what you hear in the background is my wonderful dogs. They want an omelet too. Okay, I can see it starting to sizzle. And when you have eggs, make an omelet, you push in from the sides. This will take a couple of minutes. And I don't know, you can see how foamy that still is. That's going to set and make it light. Now, you can do this without whipping the egg whites and just mix it all together and just pull everything towards the center. Okay, now it's still a little loose. I'm putting it in the hot oven. I got it at 500 degrees. It's going to take about 3 minutes. Alright, well, we're going to pull the omelet out of the oven. Whoa! That's a hot pan. sprinkle a little cheese there. Sprinkle a little cheese over the top. Then we're going to make let it rain bacon. And I'll show off my karate skills. Watcha! You can use this for decorations. So, and there you go. Yeah, this is for lard. Ooey gooey omelet. Ooh. And of course you gotta have your bacon. Ward, check this out.
Oh, thank you, Carl.
Okay, and of course I have to make sure it's healthy. A little bacon. That's all I can say is So this is Chef Carl and Ward saying have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and like and let us know what you'd like to see. So till next time, here's Carly. Bye.